The overall stock market day, it did have a better day.
It's had a much better day today, bounced back after a pretty tough week. A lot of losses earlier in the week. Market jumped 1% at the open, lifted really after a strong performance from Wall Street overnight, following the inflation numbers in the US and the US Federal Reserve meeting as well. Tech stocks, property REITs and healthcare companies were the best performers. Energy stocks and mining companies dropped. Market did run out of a bit of steam though in the afternoon. It finished up 0.44%. Communications company Codan, well, that jumped after being upgraded by a broker. Infection prevention company Nanosonics was up too, and Polynova, which makes synthetic skin for burns victims, lifted about 4%. Data centre builder and operator NextDC was one of the top tech stocks. Property REIT National Storage lifted after establishing a new joint venture with the Singaporean-based company GIC. That's going to develop and operate self-storage centres across Australia. And earlier this morning, National Australia Bank shares lifted to their highest level since 2015, reaching an intraday high of $35.23. It lost a little bit of value today, but it did hit a significant milestone. Gold miner St Barbara got crunched after announcing it was considering building a pumped hydro energy facility at one of its old closed gold mines in Canada. It's planning to partner up with a renewable energy company called Natural Forces to conduct a feasibility study, but investors didn't seem to like that. It was off by 6%. Sigma Healthcare, which is in the middle of its proposed merger with Chemist Warehouse, it got sold off sharply after the ACCC flagged some preliminary concerns with the deal. And rare earths miner Lynas, that was off about 4.5%. Here's a look at the Aussie dollar. It did slump today after the unemployment numbers were released at 11:30 and the US inflation figures came out overnight. It's down to about 66.44 cents as we speak. And it's basically exactly the same level as it was 1 year ago. Ross, that's markets.
And you'll speak to the ACCC Commissioner about that Sigma deal just a little bit later. Good stuff. Thanks, Ed.